What's up, foodies? It's David here. Today we are making a Japanese egg sandwich, or as my Japanese friends call it, Tamago Sando. It's fluffy, creamy, and so satisfying. I've tried many egg sandwiches in my life, and this one is by far the best one. Wanna know why? Stick around until the end and you'll find out. Let's get started. First thing first, let's prep our eggs. Place the eggs in a medium saucepan and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover the saucepan, turn the heat off and let the eggs sit in the hot water for 10 minutes. While the eggs are cooling, let's prepare the ice bath. To a bowl, add cold water and ice. After 10 minutes, transfer the eggs to an ice bath to cool completely. This helps make peeling easier and stop the cooking process. Now, peel those eggs like a pro. Separate the yolks from the whites. Yolks go in a bowl, whites on a chopping board. To the bowl with the egg yolks, add Japanese mayonnaise. Japanese mayo is creamier and slightly sweeter than a regular mayo, which gives our salad a delicious and unique flavor. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper, pinch of sugar, and milk. Mash all together until it forms a thick paste. Now, chop the egg whites into small pieces and then add them to the egg yolks. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Wow, I will add just a bit more salt. Now it's perfect. Let's assemble our sandwich. For that, you'll need Japanese milk bread. If you don't have Japanese milk bread, you can use any milk bread. Here's the pro tip. Spread a thin layer of softened butter on each slice of bread. This prevents sogginess and adds a delicious layer of flavor. Now, the fun part. Spread egg salad on one side of bread. Then place the remaining slice of bread, buttered side down, on top of the egg salad to form a sandwich. Now, cover with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for at least 10 minutes or until ready to serve. Using a Japanese knife, cut the edges of the sandwiches. Just kidding, you can use any knife, but in my opinion, every home cook must have at least one true Japanese knife. Their quality, such as this Tusky knife, is amazing and super sharp. How sharp? This sharp. To grab this amazing Japanese knife, check the link in the description. If you don't have a Japanese knife, but you want a super sharp knife, don't worry, I've got you covered. With this unique sharpener, you can take your average knife and sharpen it without being a professional or using an old school sharpener. Just follow the instructions of this amazing sharpener and you'll get your knife from this to this. Oops, that was my tax form. Shh, don't tell the IRS. To get this amazing sharpener, check the link in the description. You can cut your sandwich into rectangles, squares, or triangles, whatever you like. Let's give it a taste. Look how creamy it is. The bread is soft and buttery, and the egg salad is incredibly rich and creamy. The chopped egg whites add a nice texture. Is it a healthy sandwich? Not really. Is it delicious? Hell yeah! If you enjoyed this recipe, Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes.